Then we have diploma courses, because now if you are doing a modern building, you need a supervisor who needs to know how this material is used, just like concrete, just like cement and all that. So we have a level at diploma level also, we have a course where class 10th or class 12th pass or ITI or diploma holders like that in wood science or civil engineering can join the course. And the third course which we have is PG diploma, postgraduate diploma in bamboo application technology. In the current year, we have architects who are doing this course. So this gives them an edge over other designers. They can use bamboo in their buildings. And this is something which it's a 1-year course and it's in distance education mode. So the people who are working can also join the course. In certificate and diploma, we have 2 hours classes early in the morning or in the evening. And for the PG diploma, it is actually in the home-based mode, meaning you can sit at home, get the lectures, and the whole year you just go for 2 weeks and for contact program, and you have to get a diploma, and you have to attend the examinations and the practicals, and you get a PG diploma in bamboo application technology. And with this, actually today in architecture field, most of the major architectural design competitions, architects who have an edge over other people in terms of bamboo, mud, and this kind of technology are really, at the top of the world right now. Actually, there is a kind of, because environment friendly architecture is everyone is asking. All the clients are also asking. Developers are asking for green design, and green design also, like bamboo is one of the chief materials for green design, and that is how it is being used across the world. So this course is actually positioned to take the designer, all the 3 things, like the designer courses, also the supervisory courses, and also the execution level. So all the 3 levels get taken care of. So somebody, when we want to use bamboo these days, everyone wants a bamboo furniture. There are no people to do it. You don't know where to actually take it from. So this course actually covers, if you go through the curriculum, it covers everything from A to Z on how to use bamboo for different kind of things. Even in terms of agroforestry crop, now bamboo actually has the highest rate of converting CO2 to oxygen. So the horticulture department is now using it as an agroforestry crop to cleanse the environment actually. And it is told that if you have 1 bamboo per person in the world, we will not have any global warming. That is the kind of research which has been already been done in India also. And so a lot of bamboo forestry is being, plantation is also being taken care of. So in this course, we are also teaching bamboo plantation. Now disaster management also, as we know, floods, typhoons, cyclones, all these places actually bamboo houses, they don't get damaged the way the other houses will get damaged.